welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello. My name is Lauren. I hope you guys will stick around for more videos. You can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. I am back bringing you guys another cleaning video. My apartment is a wreck. We had our engagement party literally last Friday, and so our apartment is a hot mess and needs to be cleaned. So I figured this will be fun to share with you all. Hopefully it brings you a little bit of cleaning motivation or inspiration, and I hope you all enjoy it. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, guys, let's jump into the cleaning. the end of the video. I hope that you found this inspiring or motivating to get your clean on in your home, apartment, or wherever you live. If it did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cleaning videos. I have an entire playlist full of them. I will have it linked here on the screen at the end of this video and in the description box below for you guys to check out if you are interested. And without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.